I got a call from the Korean Motors car repair, but he's on vacation, so tomorrow is a no-go. He's asking me to go to the Australian smash repair, not the car repairs.
What? About the door, because they said they'd fix it for me tomorrow. What should I do? If I can't get it fixed tomorrow, I have to keep the door in my car?
Let's call tomorrow first.
No, the inspection is Monday. Can it be fixed before then? Usually, you you can, if you make a reservation with Australian smash repair, it takes at least a month.
You got the door from the records already, so you just need to find a place that can replace it and hang it. I call tomorrow and find a place to fix it right away. Do we really need to find storage?
Last time I had an accident, I had insurance work done at Aussie smash repair store. It took me a month to make an appointment and get my car there. To get it back. 2 months.
No! It didn't take that long. And things are different now. I call tomorrow and find a place to fix it first.
No, that's not good enough. That's not good enough. I I can't leave the door anywhere. What if someone steals it?
We can keep it anywhere for now. What's what's that's so important about that? What's so important about that? It's more important to find a company that can quickly replace the door.
No, it's more important to talk about where to store car door.
I've told you heaps of times that we can call tomorrow. And if they say they can't fix it, we can talk again then.
No, I will call next morning. But I want to talk about it just right now. Can we just discuss it?
No, oh my god!